Hello, Miriam at the Bureau with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, Friday the 20th of December. Now we'll start as always by taking a look at our national weather map for Friday. We can see showers and storms ongoing across much of northern Australia once again. The focus really through Queensland, where this tropical low pressure system is helping to enhance rainfall and windy conditions about parts of the North Tropical Coast. Much more settled weather across southern and inland parts of the continent, however, under the influence of this large high pressure system over the Great Australian Bight. Let's take a look at all of that in a little bit more detail now, starting with Queensland. So rain areas, showers and storms on the way for northern and north central Queensland tomorrow. That low pressure system helping to produce heavy rainfall and the risk of flooding between Cairns and Mackay in particular, although possible across much broader parts, pushing back inland across the Cape York Peninsula as well. Now we've actually issued a dedicated severe weather update video on this rainfall and flooding situation. You can find all the details around that in our other video. It's a bit of a different story across southern Queensland tomorrow with sunny conditions there. Good news for folks in the southeast where some flooding is still ongoing after previous days of rainfall. For Brisbane tomorrow, we are heading for a partly cloudy day with a top of 29 degrees. For New South Wales, a few morning fogs along the east coast with the slight chance of a light coastal shower about parts of the central and northern coastlines. Otherwise, it is going to be a dry and sunny day. Certainly Sydney is heading for a sunny top of 25 degrees, and after some early morning fog, Canberra also will be mostly sunny with a top of 31. Warm, dry and sunny across Victoria tomorrow after some early morning fogs through Gippsland. Now hot conditions, particularly across those inland areas. We've got extreme fire dangers on the way for the Wimmera and Mallee districts in the west there. For Melbourne, we're heading for a hot day, a top of 34 degrees. Down in Tasmania, mostly dry and sunny weather across northern and eastern parts of the state, but we could see a few showers across those western areas thanks to this trough and front moving in later on. For Hobart, we're looking at a partly cloudy day with a top of 25 degrees. Now in South Australia, hot, dry and sunny, particularly across those inland areas. It'll be a little bit milder along the southern coasts thanks to some brisk southerly winds pushing up there, particularly strong about those northern parts of the Gulfs. For Adelaide, we're heading for a sunny top of 32 degrees tomorrow. In Western Australia, a few patchy showers about the Eucla coast are possible tomorrow, with the chance of showers or thunderstorms about the northwestern and western coastlines down as far south as Carnarvon or so. It'll be dry elsewhere and sunny, particularly hot through those western districts where severe to locally extreme heat waves are beginning to develop. For Perth, we're heading for a sunny top of 35 degrees for our Friday. Finally, for the Northern Territory, we are looking at showers and thunderstorms becoming scattered once again across those northernmost parts of the Territory, pushing back into the northern parts of the Kimberley as well. Darwin is heading for a shower or two, a possible thunderstorm with a top of 34 degrees. It will be hotter and drier inland, with some severe to extreme intensity heat waves ongoing across inland and eastern parts of the Territory. We're also going to see the chance of a few gusty thunderstorms pushing down into those eastern districts, so be aware of that risk as we go into tomorrow. Now you can find the detailed forecast for your area via the Bureau's website, the BOM Weather app or via our social media. Have a good night and we'll catch you next time.